Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best pool escape ramp is probably one of the most important safety features you can have for your pool. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of pool escape ramps, exploring their features, benefits, and why they're a must-have for any pool owner. We'll cover everything from installation to maintenance, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision and keep your loved ones safe. Number 5. Hydrotools Frog Log, Small Animal Escape Ramp. This ramp provides a safe exit for small animals from your pool. Frogs, mice, and other critters can easily climb out, preventing unfortunate incidents and keeping your pool clean. Designed to save wildlife from accidental drowning, this ramp offers peace of mind. It helps protect animals while ensuring a cleaner and more enjoyable pool experience for you. Setting up this ramp is incredibly easy. Simply inflate the platform, unroll the mesh net, and fill the anchor pouch. It's quick to install and ready to use. By reducing animal-related debris, this ramp helps lower your pool maintenance. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your crystal-clear water. Crafted with durable, UV-resistant materials, this ramp is built to withstand the elements. It's designed for season-long outdoor use, ensuring long-lasting performance. This ramp is compatible with various water features, including spas and most pools. It's lightweight, portable, and reusable, making it perfect for any location. Developed with wildlife biologists, this escape ramp is a trusted solution. It's a science-backed tool to reduce accidental animal deaths in pools. What we like. This ramp provides an easy exit for small animals, preventing drownings. It's incredibly easy to set up, with no tools required. If you're looking for a durable and reliable solution that reduces pool maintenance, you should consider this one. What people say. The ramp is very sturdy and well built. It is easy to assemble. The ramp is wide enough for my dog to easily walk out of the pool. Number 4. Pyle PCR BDR24 Heavy Duty Rubber Curb Ramp. This Pyle ramp provides easy access for various vehicles. It's perfect for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and even wheelchairs. It makes navigating curbs and sidewalks a breeze. Made from durable, industrial-grade rubber, this ramp is built to withstand heavy use. It protects your vehicle from vibrations and reduces noise as you drive over it. The ramp's flexible design makes it suitable for various locations. Use it at your curb, home garage, loading dock, or driveway. It adapts to different terrains with ease. This ramp can support up to 5 tons or 10,000 pounds. It allows standard vehicles to safely navigate uneven ground or curbsides. It's designed for reliable performance. The ramp features preformed holes for permanent installation. It also has a built-in channel for water or cables. This ensures a secure and practical setup. What we like. This ramp is designed for multiple uses, including access for vehicles and mobility devices. It's built with sturdy, high-quality materials for durability. If you need a robust ramp for your driveway or garage, you should consider it. What people say. The ramp is very sturdy. The ramp is easy to install. It works great for small animals. Number 3. HKZ Pool Critter Animal Escape Ramp, 2-pack. Introducing the HKZ Pool Animal Escape Ramp, designed to save small animals. This ramp provides a safe escape route for various creatures, allowing you to become their savior. The ramp features a rectangular base and is made from durable, UV-resistant material. It includes reflective stickers for easy visibility, enhancing safety around your pool, especially at night. Setting up the ramp is simple, requiring only a quick inflation. Position it a short distance from your pool skimmer. Remember to inflate it only partially to ensure it functions correctly. This ramp not only saves animals but also keeps your pool cleaner. By preventing animals from drowning and contaminating the water, it reduces the need for frequent cleaning. This allows you to spend more time relaxing. The HKZ Pool Animal Escape Ramp is a trusted guardian against pool accidents. It has prevented thousands of potential drownings and boasts a high success rate in rescues. It is trusted in thousands of homes. You'll receive 2 escape ramps and 2 inflatable mats. The product includes a reliable inflatable valve. If you need assistance, our support team is ready to help you ensure a safe environment. What we like. This ramp is designed to be a savior for critters, providing a safe escape route. The reflective strips enhance visibility, especially at night. If you want to protect wildlife and reduce pool cleaning, you should consider this one. What people say. It works well and even stood up to the weight of a raccoon. Very effective at allowing things to climb out of your pool. Since putting these in the pool, she hasn't gotten a single frog out. And the vacuum doesn't bother it, which I was worried about. Definitely a game changer from critters in the pool. Number 2. Pro Pool Animal Critter Escape Ramp. This critter escape ramp features reflective strips on both sides. These strips help small animals quickly spot the ramp if they fall into the pool. This design significantly reduces the risk of drowning. Drowning creatures can pollute your pool water, costing you time and money. This escape ramp solves this problem. It ensures a more enjoyable pool experience for you. The ramp helps small animals escape your pool. If they accidentally fall in, they can climb out on their own. You won't have to worry about critters becoming casualties in your pool anymore. Made from tough 420D polyester fabric, this ramp resists corrosion, fading, and water damage. It's built to last for 3 years or more. The environmentally friendly PVC airbag design prevents air leakage. First, unfold the airbag and place it inside the mat. Then, inflate the airbag. Make sure the mat is flat, avoiding overinflation, especially in summer. What we like. This ramp features reflective strips for easy spotting by animals. It significantly reduces maintenance time and costs. If you want a high-quality, durable solution for pool safety, you should consider it. What people say. The ramp is very sturdy and well-made. It is easy to assemble and install. The ramp is wide enough for a variety of animals to use. Number 1. Pool Animal Escape Ramp Frog Saver Log. This ramp has reflective strips on both sides. These strips help animals quickly spot the escape ramp if they fall into the pool. This design greatly reduces the risk of drowning. Drowning animals can pollute your pool water, which costs you time and money to clean. This escape ramp solves this problem, ensuring a better pool experience for you. It helps keep your pool clean and enjoyable. This ramp helps small animals get out of your pool safely. If they fall in, they can use the ramp to climb out on their own. You won't have to worry about frogs, lizards, snakes, or other critters drowning in your pool anymore. This ramp is made from tough 420D polyester fabric, so it won't fade or get damaged by water. It's built to last in pool conditions and should last for at least 3 years. The environmentally friendly airbag inside ensures no air leaks. First, unfold the airbag and put it inside the mat. Then, inflate the airbag. Make sure the mat is flat and not overinflated, especially in hot weather. What we like. This ramp also features reflective strips for easy spotting by animals. It significantly reduces maintenance time and costs. If you want a high-quality, durable solution for pool safety, you should consider it. What people say. They are durable, easy to install, and help save wildlife while keeping your pool cleaner. Frogs Lifesaver. I was rescuing 8 to 14 per day from the pool, now there isn't even one in sight. Obviously the contraption works. It works great, I put 2 of them in my pool, have not seen any dead animals since. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.